help Amazon reactivate your account. That's what I'm going to be talking about today. So my team is the best in the world, bar none, at getting your accounts reactivated, getting your Amazon listings reactivated. And I use these videos to teach you how to help yourself. So one of the problems that you face as an Amazon seller is that when Amazon reaches out to the source of your products, they don't pick up the telephone, okay? So what did we do in this case? We reached out to the source of the products. We persuaded the people at the source, the owner of the company, to respond, and we provided Amazon with the Zoom information so that Amazon staff in India, and I've interviewed dozens of these people, we gave the Zoom information to Amazon staff so they can easily reach out to the source of the products. Now, what I don't know is whether or not Amazon actually did it or not, but it doesn't matter. We got the account reactivated. So sometimes you need to help Amazon help you. Provide them with extra information, write persuasive, concise plans of action. That's how we win reactivation for you, and that's how you can win reactivation for yourself.